Good morning, kindergarten, and happy Friday. This is Mrs. Cancer with another kindergarten number story. Get your materials ready. Remember, it's always a good idea to have a pencil, a piece of paper, and at least 10 pennies for counting and showing your number story. During today's number story, kindergarten, you're going to practice taking away from the whole to find out how many are left. Kindergarten, today's number story is about my puppy Zion. Isn't he the cutest? Well, Zion likes to dig for rocks in the yard. Today, he found 10 rocks. I took 6 of his rocks and threw them back in the yard. I want to know how many rocks Zion still has left. Let's reread the story once again and listen for important information we need to problem solve today's number story. Zion the dog found 10 rocks in the yard. I took 6 rocks and threw them back in the yard. How many rocks are there now? Kindergarten, think about the story. What important numbers did you hear? Do you think we need to add or subtract to solve today's number story? Did you hear the numbers 10 and 6? So did I, kindergarten. Kiss your brain. Now I have another question for you. Which number should we start with first? Kiss your brain again, kindergarten. We should start with the biggest number. 10 and 6. Which is the biggest number? That's right. 10 is bigger than the number 6. Now, kindergarten, this is a good time to pause the video, grab 10 pennies so that we can use them as our counters, your pencil, and your piece of paper. Thumbs up, friends, if you have your pennies, paper, and pencil. Good work. The first thing we want to show is our 10 rocks. Let's count to make sure we have 10. Pull out your pennies and let's count together. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, in today's story, I did something to change the number of rocks Zion had. What did I do? Oh, yeah, that's right. I threw 6 rocks back into the yard. Bad dog. Now, can we pull 6 counters out of 10, do you think? Let's try. Let's pull 6 counters out of our 10. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now is a good time to try and draw what we see in front of us. Go ahead and use your pencil and your paper to show what your pennies or your counters look like now, kindergarten. So, kindergarten, maybe your picture looks like this. You should have started with how many circles or rocks? That's right, 10 rocks. But we took how many away? Yes, we took 6 away. Kiss your brain. Mrs. Cancer thinks you're the smartest, kindergarten. Now, when we show this on our drawings, we can use X's or cross-out marks to show how many we are taking away. So, kindergarten, I have a really important question to ask you. When we take away, are we adding or subtracting? That's right, we are subtracting. Kindergarten, there are 10 rocks. We took away 6 rocks. How many rocks are left? You got it. Kiss your brain. There are 4 rocks left. We started with a total or a whole number of 10 rocks. We took away 6 rocks. Don't forget, in your equation, you should have a minus sign or a subtraction sign. When we took away our 6 rocks from 10, we found out that there were 4 rocks left. Good job, kindergarten. You are amazing at these number stories. Have a fabulous weekend.